guys, welcome back to a new video. So this video is going to be pretty much all vlog style. I am making some changes to my room again, and I thought it would be fun to just bring you along through the process. I have already changed up like the layout of my room, and I showed a little update in a vlog, but I'm going to ikea today to pick up a new dresser. Like, I'm gonna be making a dresser, if that makes sense. There's these two like dressers from ikea that pretty much belong in like kind of a, I don't know, storage system, I guess. So the drawers don't actually have any legs or anything, so I ordered some legs from Pretty Pegs, and I was actually gonna buy them myself, but then like I DM'd them just to ask something, and then they were like, oh, like we would love to gift it to you, so I'll leave their link down below. Basically like a website where they sell like legs and knobs and like things for ikea furniture, so you can do like DIYs and hacks and stuff. I think it's amazing. But I received the legs like 2 days ago, and I'm gonna go to ikea with my brother in like an hour. I'll bring you along, and I'm also gonna get an extra shelf for this bookcase and some other things like a cute vase or something. I also want to reorganize this bookcase and kind of maybe switch up the shelves a little bit to make sure that it's like perfect, because I'm not satisfied. I'm literally never satisfied with my room, and I think it's just because I really want to move out. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along today, and something I also might do is paint this wall white again. I'm gonna have to see what my dresser looks like against it. I don't know yet. I might. And I also need to stain the wood of the dresser, but I'm first gonna build it and then go to the store with my mom maybe like tomorrow or something. And yeah, so it's a journey. I also might get some new bedding. I'm just gonna make some changes to my room and like film everything and turn it into a video because I thought that'd be fun. Niet zo goed. Als je op vakantie gaat, kan je gebruiken als strand laten. Just gotten back from dinner, and I'm about to, it's a couple hours later, it's like 9 now, so it's kind of late, but I'm just gonna attempt to start building at least one of the drawers. Just putting my hair in a very messy bun. I don't really care if it looks good or not. Yeah, I'm just gonna attempt to start building. I'm gonna put on some Queen of the South on my iPad and just get going, and hopefully it goes well. I don't know, hopefully it's not too hard. I feel like the drawers are gonna be the hardest. Drawers are just not fun to do ever. So after lots of sweating, I built the base of the first one. I'm just gonna ask my mom if I should make the other base and then put the legs on and then build the drawers and put them in, or if I should already build the drawers. I'm gonna ask her right now. I don't know. Shows that I'm a little nervous. I've just realized that standing on the frame of the dresser, I added the legs and I flipped it around, and I realized that I messed up on one side. Basically the like things that you put the drawers in, like the rolly things, I messed up the side, so they actually need to be flipped around. So oh my god, I'm so stressed out. It's really just annoying because I've spent like a couple hours on this and I'm like extremely tired, and it was so much work. But like I was like, oh my god, I'm finally done, and then tomorrow morning I'm just gonna put together the drawers and it's like done. But that's not the case. So I basically need to, I guess, take off the middle legs. I'll show you in a second what I did wrong. But I need to take off the legs in the middle, and then I need to basically disassemble most of the thing and just flip around. Oh my god, it's gonna be so annoying. Let me show you what I did, and then I'm gonna get ready to go to bed and like clean up because I'm so tired. This one I did perfect. So those metal things are pretty much in the perfect spot because there's gonna be 3 drawers in there. Then there's this one. And this one is flipped around, as you can tell. Okay, can it focus? What's going on? I'm done for tonight. My camera did not want to focus. I'm so fucking over it. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow morning when I get back from the gym, and I'm gonna try to fix this because this is so annoying. It was the next morning. I did not end up going to the gym because my mom and I decided to fix the issue that we had right after I was filming. So I went to sleep at like 2 a.m. and then my alarm went off at 6:30, and I was like, never mind. It's almost 9 a.m. right now, and I think I'm just gonna kind of start building some of the drawers. After I finish working, I'm gonna go to the store with my mom and get some wood stain, and once I've like set it in place, I can figure out whether I want to paint the wall behind you white or not. So yeah, let's go ahead and build some drawers. Hopefully it's easy. That I'm a little nervous. I've just realized that I can't let go. There's something about me and you. So let me stay here a little while. At least until I calm down. Please don't say it's all about me. So this is what it looks like right now. Obviously the color is still gonna change, and what I wanted was kind of like a mirror like that on top of it. So I feel like once I have that, it's gonna be like complete along with color, and I definitely think I need to paint this wall white because I don't think it looks that great. It's quite a bit lower than my last one, but I really don't mind it. Like I think it'll be really cool to just have like this big mirror over here. So I'm gonna have a look online later to see if I can find something. And now I need to go eat something, and I'll see you guys once I go get some wood stain and stuff like that. So I'm about to try out the stain that we got. It's something I thought of, something that I can try. Please don't say it's all about you. Okay, so I finished one layer. I hope you can kind of see. I'm not sure how I feel about the color, and I feel like it's kind of splotchy. It was really hard to apply, but then again, you also don't want it to be like perfect. So yeah, I guess I'm just gonna let this dry. There you can see that side. I have to say that was like the worst thing to do ever. Also, I rubbed off my nose makeup because my nose was itchy. Yeah, I'm gonna ask my mom what she thinks. I guess the color is actually kind of good. I just wanted it maybe a little bit warmer, but I think it'll be good like this. And yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to paint that wall white because I just don't think it's going to look how I want it to. Also bit my lip earlier, so now I was just like ball. You know when you bite your lip and then there's this like little ball and you just keep like biting on it. Also, I ordered a mirror. I first wanted to get this black mirror that kind of was that kind of shape. I don't know, like oval, but then square or like straight at the bottom. I saw that one on made.com, And then every time I saw it was like they were like low in stock, but then it came back and I was like, okay, I don't have to order it yet, and now it's gone. So I went to look for a different mirror and I wasn't really sure what I wanted. Then I saw like the Anthropology mirror and I was like, oh, that's so cute, but like it's really expensive. I don't know if they ship here. Also, the size that I wanted was sold out. So then I kind of started looking for like gold mirrors kind of like that. It's not exactly the same, but it's like kind of similar. And then I saw this one, and it's going to be really like big. So it's like, my dresser is like 160 centimeters wide, and this one is like almost 130. So it's going to be almost the exact like width of my dresser. And then it's going to be 92 high, so it's going to be really, really high. And I think it'll look really cute, especially once I've painted that wall white again. I think it's gonna look really cute. It's definitely kind of a different vibe than what I was actually going for, but like I was able to get this one in black as well and also in white, but I felt like I already have like a big white mirror, and then the black one was gonna just be a little bit too much, I felt like. So I decided to go for this one, hopefully to kind of create that like Anthropology type of look. We'll see. Hopefully this dresser kind of turns out good. I don't know if I should do another layer or not. I feel like maybe then it's going to be too dark, but I'm just going to let it dry for now.
I'm diving in the deep blue. Are you looking for you?
So funny because I painted this color like 6 months ago, and now I'm painting it back to white. So there we go. But I'm sure I'll be able to use that color once I move out or something.
Tonight, I'm diving in the deep blue. Are you looking for you, my love? I don't like it when we're fighting, 'cause you always make me cry, yeah. I'm diving in the deep blue. Are you looking for you? 'Cause you're the one I want. Yeah, you're the one I love. All this fussing and fighting just drives me crazy, but you know I'll do anything for you, baby. 'Cause you're the one I want. I'm driving in the moonlight. I am looking for...
This is what my mirror looks like now. Walls painted white. I do have to touch it up a bit at the top, but I'm gonna do that another day. This is the current vibe we have. I prefer it so much more in this color. The gold was so ugly. It was just such a like fake gold look. I don't know. So I did go to the store and try to find a gold paint that looked better, but all I could find was spray paint and I didn't want to spray paint it. So I went for white, and I honestly think it looks so chic. I'm not fully sure what I'm going to do with like decor on top yet, but as of right now I just have this and it looks fine. I put on some green pillowcases. I just got some like pastel ones at IKEA. I really wanted this like yellow color and like blue, but it was sold out. So I might end up ordering that another day. I honestly really love my dresser now. Like at first I wasn't sure about the color, but I think it looks so good now. So yeah, that's the current update. Another little project that I came up with today was putting a different fabric on this stool, reupholstering it. I think that's what you call it. I found this like really pretty teddy kind of off-white fabric, which I ordered today. I'm not sure when that's gonna come in. It might not come in time for when I want to post this video, but I'm gonna be putting something different on there. And then I think I'm kind of like happy with everything. But I feel like this was a huge change to my room and I love it. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I ended up just painting it with like matte white paint. I think I did about 2 coats, and then I also did like a base coat underneath, and I love it so much. It kind of just matches this one really. So yeah, and I need some flowers for right there on my nightstand. Still debating on if I want to get a different one. Why am I zooming in when I can just do this? Still debating on if I want to get a different nightstand. Should I do it or should I just leave it? I don't know. It's a couple days later and I have decided that I'm going to split this video into 2 parts. Which means it's the end of this video. I still have quite a few things that I want to do, a few projects that I want to DIY and stuff like that, and it's gonna take a little bit longer before those things arrive. So yeah, I really just want to put this out. Like, I planned for it to go up today and I was just like deciding, am I gonna do it yet? But I've just said I'm gonna do a part 2 in about 2 or 3 weeks. I also just don't want to make these videos too long because I think at the moment what I've edited is like 15 minutes and I think that's long enough. So yeah, make sure you subscribe though, because that way you won't miss out on part 2. In part 2, I'm going to be working on my nightstand, doing some more decor, like working on my book stand, kind of fixing that a little bit because I'm not fully satisfied yet. And yeah, just kind of doing like the finishing touches. And I'm also going to be reupholstering that little footstool, whatever you want to call it, ottoman. So yeah, that is pretty much it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and of course subscribe. Also make sure to turn on my post notifications so that you'll be notified every time I upload a video, and follow me on my Instagram for daily content because I post on there every single day and I love talking to you guys in DMs and stuff like that, so you can talk to me on there. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys and I'll see you in my next video.